Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Hope you're all staying safe. So now, as long as the lockdown is imposed, everything looks fine and kind of controlled, right? But have you started thinking on how to deal with your immunity once the lockdown is relaxed? So this is the time to concentrate on how to boost your immunity. Today I'm sharing an immune boosting tea that has numerous health benefits. It also helps in weight loss. Along with the recipe, I'm also going to give you some tips, so watch the video until the end without skipping. For those of you who are new here, please do subscribe to get notified on new video updates. So let's get started. Turmeric tea can be prepared from either pure turmeric powder or grated or ground fresh turmeric. Take a fresh turmeric root, wash it well, peel out the skin and grate it. Similarly, grate ginger and set aside. Today I am using cinnamon powder, black pepper powder and cardamom powder. All these individually have their health benefits and also enhance the flavor of the tea. In a medium pot, add 2 cups of water along with all the other ingredients. The active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, and black pepper helps with its absorption into the bloodstream. Cinnamon is one of the most delicious and healthiest spices on the planet. It aids in weight loss and can lower blood sugar levels, reduces heart disease. Cardamom gives a good flavor to the tea. Bring all the contents to a boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. If you don't get turmeric root, just use turmeric powder. You can also add 1 tablespoon of ghee, clarified butter or coconut oil to help with absorption, as curcumin requires healthy fats to dissolve properly. These additional ingredients into the turmeric tea helps with its absorption and also improves the taste of the tea. So don't get intimidated by seeing the ingredients. You can skip anything you don't like and still make the tea with a couple of ingredients. So there's no hard and fast rule about the ingredients. Just add them to your liking and enjoy the tea with its health benefits. Bring all the contents to a boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and then cover with a lid and rest it for about 10 minutes for all the flavors to seep into the liquid. Strain the tea through a fine sieve. Turmeric is considered an immune-boosting superfood. It helps boost our immune system through its amazing antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Transfer to a cup, add honey or any other preferred sweetener and a dash of lime to taste. Honey sweetens the tea and also gives the mixture more antimicrobial properties. This is all optional, but do not add honey or lemon to hot liquid as it will destroy its benefits. You can also drink the tea as it is. You can also add some whole milk, cream, almond milk or coconut milk to the tea. This immune boosting tea can be had by anyone, and have this tea first thing in the morning on empty stomach for best results. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and share it with your family and friends. If you're here for the first time, please do subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on other social media platforms. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me Padma signing off.